All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're going to talk about Launch's BST 360. Now, I talked about this tool when I did a impressions video on the Matco 3.0, which is a launch tool, and it comes with this. Now, I haven't done a video about this because I haven't had a Android tablet that wasn't an Autel. Autel does not allow you to get to the Play Store to, download stuff because Autel. So until I had a launch scan tool, my options were limited to my phone, and I don't like phone apps during the day. It's just pulling out my phone to do something kind of is not my favorite, especially when you're, greasy and trying to, do stuff. So now that I have a launch scan tool, I got these. Now what it is a Bluetooth set of clamps. And they're actually cables a little more robust than the launch tester, but it is a Bluetooth tool. The app is available for Android and iPhone, so if you want to use a tablet or your phone, this tool will work just downloading the app after buying it, linking it to the Bluetooth, and you can use it on your phone. But if you've got a launch scan tool, you got a little BST 360 icon, and you can do your tests with this. One drawback to it is I find the range is a little limited. Normally when I'm a little too far away from the battery, it doesn't want to connect, so I normally have to pull this off, put it on the car, test it a little closer. But other than that, I found it as accurate as my Autel, as accurate as my other launch battery tester. There's not a lot of drawbacks to it other than the fact that, well, it's Bluetooth and, could break. Pretty affordable too, but just a negative and positive clamp it on there, link it to whatever device you're using, and you can test batteries, starting systems, and charging systems. Now, as you can see, we get a nice little report that can be printed or it can be shared. So you can have that printed out or shared. I don't have a printer or email set up to share it, but you can. But you get a nice little report if you want it for the customer. I didn't actually rev it up, so charging voltage is a little low, but still listed normal. So I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.